enough is enough. We need to have a talk. Are you sick and tired of continuously spending money on marketing that just doesn't yield any results? I know I was, and I think you are too. Tired of endless content creation, blasting on social media, cold calling like it's the 90s? It's time to stop the madness and actually make a simple shift that makes sense. Now, I want you to imagine from this point forward, every single morning, you wake up with thousands of potential customers at your doorstep qualified without spending a dime on ads. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds too good, right? But it's true. As a matter of fact, the change is not just a possibility anymore, it's already happening. And that's why I'm introducing to you Autoleadfindr. Now, mind you, this isn't just some shiny new tool with a bell and whistle. This is what your business desperately needs. As a matter of fact, here's what Autoleadfindr can do for you, plus the killer training that comes with it. Autoleadfindr taps into a huge worldwide database and finds leads for any industry you can think of, but it doesn't just stop there. As a matter of fact, it makes sure the leads are the exact right fit for what you are trying to sell so you can easily make money. So you connect with people who actually need your product. Now, next up, it goes deep into social media to learn about these leads, to understand what your potential customer wants, likes, talks about. And this allows you to know exactly how to approach them with what they need. This isn't blanket targeting, this is surgical precision for higher conversion rate. With all this knowledge, Autoleadfindr makes custom emails for each lead. Now, mind you, these are not generic emails. These are tailored for every single lead, making sure they're extremely effective. Just think having a world-class copywriter at your fingertips powered by AGI, the more humanized version of AI. Now, if you're wondering, how am I going to use Autoleadfindr in my current setup? Well, we made sure it works perfectly with anything that you're already using, like Zapier, Pipedrive, HubSpot, or any other tool. As a matter of fact, this allows you to work smoother without the extra hassle. And even if you have zero to none tech skills, we made sure Autoleadfindr is easy to use from the get-go. We made sure that its clear and simple design lets anyone get started quickly, making lead generation a breeze. But that is not all. Autoleadfindr lets you tailor your outreach with smart templates based on how your leads have interacted before. This makes sure that your messages are always on point and timely. Now, you can also keep an eye on how well your campaigns are doing with a real-time dashboard. This allows you to always see what's working so you can adjust on the fly and always have the best result. Now, security is key when it comes to Autoleadfindr. We make sure it protects your data and your leads information with top-level security measures so you can rest easy knowing that everything is safe and secure. And the tool makes sure your emails actually reach inboxes and avoid the spam folder, making sure your emails get read and acted on. And it doesn't forget about leads either. It makes sure to continuously follow up with leads and move them further down the sales pipeline without you having to lift the figures. Absolutely mind-blowing. And we're not done yet. I want to make sure leads simply cannot refuse what you have to offer. So I'm going to personally make sure to give you comprehensive training on how to turn yourself and your offer into an irresistible offer that makes leads begging and waiting and standing in line to work with you every single day. Now, when you get Autoleadfindr today, you don't just get an amazing tool, you get access to me. Now, I'm known for taking people from absolute scratch to making their first 4 figures in a week and then moving them to 5 and 6 figures a month consistently. They're not just surviving, they're thriving after they get access to me and the amazing tool that I provide them. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless success stories on this page of businesses that I help transform. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of Autoleadfindr today. Low investment, backed by a no BS 14-day money-back guarantee, so you literally got nothing to lose and a whole universe to gain. Stop wasting time on outdated methods. Let's get real and let's get results. Are you ready to kick it into high gear? Click the link, get Autoleadfindr, and let's smash those sales targets together. Are you in? Let's roll.